DrillTech Oilfield Equipment Manufacturing LLC, a UAE-based company specializing in the manufacturing and fabrication of high-quality oil and gas tools and equipments.
At DrillTech, our leadership focuses on a strategic decision-making, fostering a culture of teamwork, and ensuring consistent client satisfaction.
We focus on building strong client relationships while providing reliable, high-performance oilfield equipment tailored to your needs.
Our team is dedicated to building strategic partnerships and exploring new opportunities to drive growth and innovation in the oilfield sector.
Operational excellence drives everything we do. From production to delivery, we ensure superior quality and total customer satisfaction.
Quality is the cornerstone of DrillTech operations, guiding every step from production to delivery.
We source materials and services with precision and care, ensuring consistent quality and timely delivery across all projects.
Committed to excellence and strategic leadership, DrillTech management ensures the company stays at the forefront of the oilfield industry.